Okay, let's take a look at the help functions within Plant 3D. One of the first things that you'll notice is that you have some pretty quick interactive help if you hover over one of the tools that you want to use within Plant 3D. And by doing that, you're going to get a preview of what it is. It's going to identify what the tool is. It'll also give you what its AutoCAD keystrokes are if you care to enter that in the command line via keystrokes, your keyboard. But if you're still not certain, you can hit the F1 function key, and that's going to bring you up some more help. So after you notice, hovering over here, it'll pull up this screen. Let me go over a different tool. I'll go over the line to pipe tool, and then when I hit F1, you're going to see there's line to pipe information that comes up on this help screen. Okay, so wherever you see find, you can use the find key. It's kind of behind there right now, but it'll also bring you to the part of the ribbon that you need to be to. And then if there are any hyperlinks here, you can go to those, and when you click on those, it'll give you more information about that topic. You'll also see that you have a whole glossary index here that you can also get information about whenever you need. You can also search by a keyword if you type into this box here, and it'll also bring you up everything that it finds that's associated with the word that you typed in. Okay, so even here you do have a search engine that you can go about. Let's see if I use that same line here, and it's going to also bring up the information that you saw about the line. Okay, so besides doing that, you also have a question mark that is located at the top of the screen right here, and that also brings you into the help part. Now, all of this is online, and you need to be connected to the or the internet to be able to access that. But there are options that if you fear that you're going to be without internet service, you can download those help files to your individual machine. Okay. And you also, within that square, you can get information about your program. And if you go down to the part that says about Autodesk AutoCAD Plant 3D, you can get your serial number and other information about your program. So you'll see that it's quite interactive, and there is a lot of help that's available right on your desktop within your software whenever you run into a bind and you need some extra help with Autodesk's AutoCAD Plant 3D.